Welcome back. I'll be discussing some more questions with the rationalization of surds exercise. The first question that I'll be taking today is given A and B are rational numbers. Find A and B if A and B are two rational numbers and we have to find their value if root 2 plus root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to A minus B root 6. This is given to us. Now look at left hand side and right hand side. It does not contain any denominator here. It is having here, and root values are here, surds are here. So we will first rationalize it and we will make them of the same form. So first step will be rationalizing the LHS. We will rationalize left hand side first. That will be my first step. Rationalization I have explained in last time and I hope it's clear. Rationalizing LHS. Again, I will explain today. Root 2 upon root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 will be equal to root 2 plus root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. And what will be the rationalizing factor? This is minus. Same terms will be copied, but what will be the sign? Plus. Opposite sign. Same terms at denominator, but with opposite sign. Upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. That will be equal to root 2 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 under root 3 upon a minus b, a plus b will give me a square minus b square. Why? A plus b, a minus b will always equal to a square minus b square. From here I get root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Just expanding these two terms. And here 3 root 2 whole square will be equal to, this is just rough work I'm doing here, 3 root 2 whole square will be 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 3s are 9 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this will be, what it will be equal to? 18. 9 2s are 18 minus, similarly 2 2s are 4 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 4 3s are 12. 18 minus 12. Now expand these. On expansion I will get 6 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2 and 3 2s are 6 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2 will be equal to root 6 and 2 will be written here plus 3 root 6 plus 6 upon 18 minus 12 is 6. This is equal to, now root 6 and root 6 common, these two terms are having. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 root 6 upon 6. This is what we have got. Now see, I will equate it equal to this. Now in question it was given 12 plus 5 root 6, because 12 plus 5 root 6 is equal to, this term was equal to, upon 6 was equal to a minus b root 6. Next step is write the denominator separately with both the terms. That is, we write 12 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6 root 6 is equal to a minus b under root 6. This is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This is 2 plus 5 upon 6 under root 6 is equal to a minus b root 6. Now if I compare LHS and RHS, comparing LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side, we have first term a here and here it is 2. So we have a is equal to 2 because they are of the same form. A constant and another constant with root 6, and here also one constant and another constant with root 6. So a is equal to 2 here, and this minus b with the sign minus b is equal to root 6 is same. So don't see that What is the coefficient of root b here? What is written with root 6 here? B, and with root 6 here it is written 5 upon 6. So minus b is equal to 5 upon 6, and from here I get b is equal to minus 5 upon 6. This is how you find the value. First rationalize, equate, compare and find the values of two variables. If only one variable is there, find the value of one variable. See one more question now. If a is equal to 2 plus under root 3, find a minus 1 upon a. A minus 1 upon a we have to find. A is already given, 1 upon a is not given. First step will be finding 1 upon a. 1 upon a will be equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now root in denominator, rationalize it. This is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3 into rationalizing factor will be 2 minus root 3. Change the sign. 2 minus root 3. That is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square minus root 3 square. A plus b minus b is a square minus b square. Write identity yourself. 2 minus root 3 upon square of 2, 4, minus square of root 3, 3. This is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 1. That is equal to 2 minus root 3. We have got the value of 1 upon a also. Now we had to find a minus 1 upon a. So a minus 1 upon a is equal to, what is a? Substitute the value simply. 2 plus root 3 minus, what was a 1 upon a? 2 minus root 3. That is equal to 2 plus under root 3 minus 2 plus under root 3 plus 2 minus 2. Cancel each other. Under root 3 plus under root 3 will be 2 under root 3. This is how you solve them. Now, in exercise, you will find some questions where x might be given or a might be given, like this only. 2 plus root 3 is given, suppose. And you are supposed to find a minus 1 upon a to the power 4. Then how will you do it? In the same way. You will find 1 upon a first, like I have done. You will find the value of a minus 1 upon a first, and then you will put this to the power 4. That is, in case if this was the question and I was supposed to find a minus 1 upon a to the power 4, I would have written 2 root 3 to the power 4. They will directly ask you to find a minus 1 upon a to the power 4. Simply find 1 upon a first, subtract them, the single term which you will be getting, put 4 to that. This will be equal to 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 into 2 under root 3 into 2 under root 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16. Now look at 3's. Under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. And under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. So this will be 16 into 9. That is equal to 144. This is how you solve such type of questions. First find 1 upon a, subtract or add them as the question says, and then put the power. Don't start solving with these values directly. Okay, with this I have completed the chapter rational irrational numbers to the assignment given to you, and I'll start with next chapter next time. Thank you.